YouTube? Welcome to another episode of Boosted Beardz. We're going to be keeping it mad simple today. Going to be doing some unboxing of the ATI Super Damper, Gates timing belt, and also some pulleys from Titan. And we're also going to be doing some Turbo Smart comparisons, which is really dope.
Yeah, definitely stay tuned for the content, like Turbo Smart wastegate and Gen 4 and Gen 5 blowout valve, and definitely.
So we're gonna start out with a Titan. I really like the way it is. It's gonna be definitely going with our theme. Most of the stuff in our motors are black, which is really dope. So I like the etching on here. Super cool. Let me get all this out the package.
Super nice detail on these. Titan did not cut any corners on these at all.
Shout out to Titan.
Nice diamond cut, CNC machine billet pulleys. Yeah, definitely high quality.
The one thing I love about these, they're not underdriven. So we don't have to worry about changing any different belts, it running at a different RPM, whatever. It's completely bolt on. So no issues, nothing, just ready to go. Put these to the side. We're also in the description, we're gonna be adding the part numbers to all of these products that we normally unbox. So you guys can head over to their websites, pick up their products and go from there.
Also, we are not sponsored by these companies. We're just showing the love for the products that we purchase for our vehicles.
Not at all. I mean, now, don't get me wrong, I wouldn't mind being sponsored because these parts ain't cheap. So, definitely, Titan, ATI, Turbo Smart,
Hint, hint.
Mishimoto, holla at us. Alright? Alright, so next up here, if you want to take that one out.
Alright, we got the Gates timing belt. Definitely, you don't want to cheap out on timing. Oh, look at that, Titan. Shout out to you again.
Shout out Titan.
Got a little koozie. Everybody knows Gates does a phenomenal job, quality build with their timing belts. Anybody in the 2J world knows you should go with either Gates or stick with Toyota OEM. But definitely shout out to Titan for supplying this to us.
Can't go wrong with either or, Toyota or Gates. It's definitely proven you don't want these belts busted on you. Definitely, especially high horsepower cars. Matter of fact, right here, Billet timing tensioner. For us 2J boys, we definitely need these, especially if you're at high horsepower. These are prone to crack, and you don't want that happening. Like, let's just keep it simple. So I actually got this from Titan. Pretty cost effective in my opinion. All we have to do is just add the pulley on there, we're good to go. So again, shout out to Titan. All right, next up on the list, the ATI Super Damper. Kind of goes in the same realm of what we're talking about right now. This is all about reliability, keeping the car reliable. These are prone to breaking. You don't want that. So we're definitely gonna be unboxing this. Uh-oh.
Never a shortage of stickers, you already know.
You know how I feel about stickers. It gets me excited. I don't know where I'm gonna put this big ass sticker though, but I'm definitely liking them. All right, let's see here.
All right, so the ATI Super Damper is a two-piece dampener.
Yep.
Start off with this piece here. It actually goes onto the crankshaft, and then the actual dampener itself. Again, Titan comes through with the super nice build quality, and this is the Titan ATI Super Dampener.
Yep.
So definitely. Again, we will link all these part numbers and products in the description. Check these boys off. We will shoot a video of us actually installing this pretty soon here, so definitely keep an eye out for that.
Yep, definitely. We're gonna be installing basically everything that we're unboxing today. We're gonna be throwing it in this motor. So definitely stay tuned for that. Just give us a minute and we'll go from there.
All right, start off with the Turbo Smart 45 mil wastegate. This thing is ginormous. Anybody knows if you have a boosted car, you definitely don't want to cheap out on the wastegate. This is what keeps your car from over boosting. There we go.
Oh, that's nice. That's the Gen 5.
You can tell the Gen 5s because they always put the V on the top for 5.
Yep.
And you know, Turbo Smart stickers.
What size is this gate?
45.
45,
Comes with
okay.
the clocking tool.
Okay.
And that one comes with a 7-pound spring already in it. Got some extra springs here, and then all the V-band mounting brackets.
Nice.
Go ahead and get this thing mounted up. And then you also get a V-band flange. So if you don't have a V-band dump on your actual downpipe, you can go ahead and get that welded on.
Okay. And of course, like, you definitely want to check your V-band, your coupler, stuff like that. Just looking at the edges, make sure there's no like little things or anything like that. And of course, this is coming from Turbo Smart, so we're not worried about the reliability of these. So it's awesome.
All right, and here we have the Turbo Smart 50 mil blowout valve. This is the Gen 4.
Nice.
Very nice.
Definitely like that. Let's see here. Also 50 millimeter, right?
Yeah.
Nice.
And then this is the 50 mil Gen 5. This one's actually going on my car.
Mm-hmm. Big boy toys. I'm not gonna lie to you, B. I might have to switch over to the Gen 5. I'm liking the way this looks. I don't know, this little V right here, it doesn't.
Gen 5.
Nice.
See side-by-side comparison. They look pretty much the same. All they did was added a port at the top for the Gen 5 with the V. And then, like I say, from eyeballing them, they look identical.
Nice.
If you didn't know, you probably couldn't tell the difference, but the V gives it away.
Nice. And it comes installed with the what, 7-pound spring?
I'm not sure exactly what spring is in there.
For this one, for
The wastegate has a 7-pound spring in it. You can get it to come with a 13-pound spring, but I just got it with the 7-pound, and then it also comes with the additional springs that you can add on after, depending on what your tuner suggests.
Man, I already had my setup like on point. I don't know, but just from looking at this, I'm really liking the Gen 5s. The ports are like awesome. I like the top. For the most part, pretty much identical, but just love the way it looks, man.
Yeah, extra bling factor, you know.
Yes, sir. So, what else we're gonna be dealing with today?
And that's pretty much it at this
That's
point.
it. Okay. All right. So we'll be back in a minute. We're gonna be installing everything on the motor. So just stay with us for a minute.